Are you planning a world tour that includes Australia? Here's everything you need to know to have an epic adventure down under. I'm your host, and together, we're going to uncover the secrets and highlights of this magnificent country. From practical tips to unforgettable experiences, get ready to make the most of your time down under. First things first, Australia is huge, so plan accordingly. You'll want to visit the major cities like Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane, but also explore the breathtaking wilderness like Uluru and the Great Barrier Reef. Let's get started. Our journey begins in Sydney, Australia's vibrant and cosmopolitan capital. The iconic Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge are absolute must-sees. Explore the bustling streets of Circular Quay, soak in the sun at Bondi Beach, and savor the culinary delights of the diverse neighborhoods like Surrey Hills and Newtown. Now, let's dive into one of the world's most famous natural wonders, the Great Barrier Reef. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers along the Queensland coast, this underwater paradise is a snorkeler's and diver's dream come true. Immerse yourself in a kaleidoscope of colorful coral and swim alongside exotic marine life. Remember, though, to be environmentally conscious and follow sustainable diving practices. From the coast, we venture into the heart of Australia, the vast and awe-inspiring outback. Get ready to witness the iconic Uluru, a sacred site for the Aboriginal people. Marvel at its changing colors during sunrise and sunset, learn about ancient indigenous cultures, and join guided tours to explore the Kata Tjuta rock formations and Kings Canyon. Remember, when visiting indigenous sites, it's important to respect and follow local customs and guidelines. Heading south along the breathtaking Great Ocean Road in Victoria, we encounter yet another marvel, the 12 Apostles. These majestic limestone stacks rising from the Southern Ocean are a photographer's paradise. Enjoy stunning coastal views, hike along the cliffs, and witness the rugged beauty of the shipwreck coast. Now let's talk about Australia's extraordinary wildlife. This country is home to some of the most unique and fascinating creatures on the planet. Encounter kangaroos and wallabies hopping freely in the wild, cuddle with koalas in wildlife sanctuaries, and keep an eye out for adorable quokkas on Rottnest Island. Remember, though, wildlife encounters should always be done responsibly, keeping a safe distance and not disturbing their natural habitats. Australia also knows how to celebrate. If you're lucky enough to be in Sydney on New Year's Eve, get ready for a mind-blowing fireworks display over the iconic Sydney Harbour. It's an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe. Additionally, cities like Melbourne, Brisbane, and Perth host numerous festivals and events throughout the year, showcasing the country's vibrant arts, music, and cultural scene. And let's not forget about the food. Australia's culinary landscape is a fusion of flavors from around the globe. Indulge in a traditional Aussie barbecue, savor fresh seafood delights, and explore the multicultural food scenes in cities like Melbourne and Sydney. Don't miss the chance to taste Vegemite, a beloved Australian spread. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Now let's talk about the all-important budget. Australia can be expensive, so plan accordingly and be sure to research affordable accommodations and transportation options. But fear not, there are plenty of affordable and free things to do in each city. One important thing to note is the visa requirements. Many visitors will need a visa to enter Australia, so make sure to apply well in advance of your trip. Lastly, let's talk about some Australian customs and etiquette. Australians are known for being laid back and friendly, but it's important to respect their culture and customs. And don't forget, in Australia, thongs are flip-flops. Well, fellow adventurers, our whirlwind world tour of Australia has come to an end. We've only scratched the surface of what this incredible country has to offer, so it's time for you to start planning your own Australian adventure. Whether you're seeking natural wonders, cultural experiences, or thrilling wildlife encounters, Australia will undoubtedly leave you with lifelong memories. Until next time, happy travels!